We keep coming back to is search dead conversation. Everyone knows that the search, click, repeat paradigm is over. And there's a new model in what I would zoom out a little bit and say is kind of the difference in human computer interaction for knowledge, information, and services. It may not be that I type something into a search box. It may be that I'm having a chat. That chat may happen in a chat window. It may happen via voice. It may happen on a screen. It may happen in an earpod. We don't yet know where the consumer is going to go with this, but there's a lot of paradigm shifts underway. I will say Google has models that are, if not the best, competitive. So the underlying models, the underlying technology exists. They are certainly aware of the shift in the paradigm. And so the transition for Google doesn't need to happen overnight to a chat interface that looks like ChatGPT. It may be a standalone app. They have a standalone app. As Chamath has pointed out in the past, they don't do a great job promoting it. They don't do a great job integrating the chat interface into search or replacing search with the chat interface. Because remember, search ad revenue today is $200 billion. And the cost to serve an AI query is order of magnitude higher than the cost to serve a search query. So flipping the search interface over to a chat interface overnight doesn't make sense. And they don't need to. They have the users, they have the models, they already have the product. So it's going to be a slow kind of process of finding the optimal course for them to make the transition would be my guess on what they're doing. It's a question of at what point do you change the default on Google? Do you make it a slow one box, which is that answer section at the top of the search page, and you slowly get people used to that, and you lead them over to the chat interface? Or do you do it all at once? Or do you tell people, hey, go use the app instead of the search box? So there's a lot that I think they're going to discover. And if anything, this is an organization that is used to doing testing and then making incremental changes and then making big changes once they're, kind of tested and proven.